Hello, this is Bruce Ackley from The Ohio State University, and in this presentation I will be talking about seedling shoot growth inhibitors. This is one in a series of talks discussing the mode of action, site of action identification chart that was developed as part of the Take Action Herbicide Resistant Management Program. This presentation will be covering the mode of action seedling shoot growth inhibitor. This mode of action includes groups 8, 15, and 16. Also known as the lipid synthesis inhibitors for group 8, the long-chain fatty acid inhibitors group 15, and group 16 does not have a specific site known. These sites of action contain 5 different chemical families, a number of active ingredients, along with a larger number of products that correspond to those active ingredients. Currently, there are 6 different weed species that are resistant to these 3 sites of action. The take-home from this chart is you can be spraying any of these products, but you are actually only spraying from these 3 sites of action and this one mode of action, which in theory can increase the chance of developing herbicide-resistant weeds. Now to reinforce the idea and look at it slightly differently, we have one mode of action, 3 sites of action, 5 herbicide families, and an exponential number of active ingredients, all within these 3 sites of action or one mode of action. The common name or active ingredient name is universal. The trade names and premixes have a lot of variation. Always know what you are spraying. Premixes are products or trade names with multiple active ingredients. Know all the active ingredients in your premixes and which active ingredients are providing control for your target weed populations. How do seedling shoot growth inhibitors control weeds? So the site of uptake, they're soil applied, no post-emergent activity. They injure the emerging shoots. Selectivity, generally annual grasses control, but a few broadleaves can be picked up. Inhibition or damage caused. Stop cell division and seedling growth, not well understood exactly how it works. So in corn we have leafing out and buggy whipping, and soybean we have drawstringing. So there's our buggy whipping, there's the leafing out, and drawstringing. So this is presentation number 10 out of 11 with the mode of action, site of action, identification chart discussion series. Visit the first link for more information on site of action education. Visit the second link to view time-elapsed photography movies of herbicide injury on plants and other educational weed science videos. Thank you for watching and listening, and thank you to our sponsors for supporting this project.